Okay, so we are going to be replacing that spring. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unhook the control line from that post. That's gonna drop that. There is a screw at the bottom. There's also a nut there. Let's see. You don't have to take off the pad now, but you might have to during the reinstallation. So take off that bottom bolt. There's another bolt right there on the inside. So we'll take it off too. That was a little harder to come out. It had some blue Loctite on there. And usually these will have to be replaced if it's broken. Sometimes they get like bent out of shape. They just don't function properly anymore. So once that's loose, you can kind of just take that off. Here's the spring. And it'll just come out. I suppose you would have to drill out these rivets and take the foot off to get this to come out and put it back on. Sometimes these rivets can be hard to come out. Sometimes the drill bit will start to smoke. If that happens, you can use oil to cool the tip, and then go at it again, and then use the rivet gun to reinstall. And then here there is a little notch right there. The tip of the spring just has to align with that. So once you get it to align, you just have to push it back and keep it in the groove. And then for this to reinstall, you can just push it down through. If it just keeps turning and it's not gripping the nut, you can peel this up. Just a little bit, and you can hold down the nut while you screw it in. And if it's not going back down, you can use a heat gun to heat the adhesive back up and then set it down. I'm gonna go over like that. Go through the loop, down to the side, onto the post. It should be up and running again. That's the furthest it'll go now.